In today's video, we're going to discuss the choose function feature. The choose function is one of my favorite features because it allows the user to establish a prompt. With this prompt, the user can filter by members within a dimension to analyze and interpret the data in a more focused manner. In this example, we're going to set a prompt on the site location. So within the Vena ribbon, we're going to deactivate flags, scroll over to the left to the site location, and because it's located on the page filter, we're going to come up to page, right-click on sites, bottom level, and static to highlight all the available locations. Bring it over to the right, select OK, and you can see up in the ribbon that the choose function turned yellow. We're going to activate our flags, select the choose function, and you can see that everything is available. Thank you for viewing this video on the choose function.